Hello and welcome to the Falcon Girls Soccer Program.
Our head coach of the team is Jeremy Shearer, our assistant coach is Jim Royal, and we are Eleni and Nicole Gramis, your volunteer assistant coaches.
Please take a moment to fill out the Google form to sign up for the Fall 2021 season. We will use this information to notify all returning and prospect players during the month of March about the upcoming season.
We are a highly competitive Division I team. We traditionally field both varsity and junior varsity teams. We have optional summer training, which is typically from the middle of June to the middle of August, and our tryouts are usually the third week in August. Everyone is welcome to attend our practices and our tryouts this season.
Here you'll see our leaders for the upcoming season. They are all great players to reach out to. Our leaders this year are Angela, Maddie B, Carol, and Maddie A.
In addition to playing soccer, our program provides our athletes with the opportunity to strengthen their relationship with their teammates and their community.
If you have any questions, please reach out to the head coach, Jeremy Shearer. His contact information can also be found at the Cranston Athletics page.
We look forward to seeing you all in June.